Hello children, welcome back, and today we are going to learn what are complementary and supplementary angles. Now here there are two angles, AOP which is 70 degree and POB which is 20 degree. Let us merge these two angles because OP is common in both. So if I put OP common in both, this is O and this is P. What is AOP children? AOP is 70. So AOP is 70 degree and POB is 20. POB is 20 degree. So when I add both these angles, what do I get? I get 90. So AOP plus POB is equal to 90 degree. So two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree, and because their sum is 90 degree, they are called as complementary angles. Now let us go to the next supplementary angles. Now here it is written that DOE is 110 and EOF is 70. Now here OE is common in both. So let us merge them together. DOE, because it is an obtuse angle, it is 110 degree, and EOF is 70 degree. So if I add this to 110 plus 70, I get 180. So we can say they are supplementary angles. Angle DOE plus angle EOF is equal to 180. Two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180, and because their sum is 180, they are called supplementary angles. So children, now let us start with the sums. Write complement of following angles, and here are the sums which we are going to do. The first sum is 60 degree. Now we have learned the complementary angles are 90 degree. So let the complement of 60 degree be x. Okay. So if there are two angles, one is 60, the other will be x. But as they are called complementary angles, the sum of their measures should be 90 degree. So what will be x children? 90. When you take plus 60 that side, it will become minus 60 and x is equal to 30 degree. So instead of doing so much, this was just for your understanding. Whenever you have been asked, write complement of the following angles. One is 60, the other is x. So both together should be 90. So x is equal to 90 minus 60. So in the same way, you can subtract 90 degree with this angle to get its complement, because complement is nothing but 90 degree. So our second sum is 18 degree. So what is the complement of 18? Instead of doing this method, you can just write 90 degree minus 18 degree is 72 degree. The complement of 18 degree is 72 degree. What about 3m? 90 minus 3m. Now 3m is only monomial, so you don't have to put it in the bracket. You can just leave it here because you can neither subtract or add them as they are not like terms. A plus b. Now here this is a binomial, so we have to subtract it with 90. So 90 minus a plus b. We will put it in the bracket and then open 90 degree. When I open the bracket, the signs will change because outside the bracket it is minus. So minus a minus b will be our answer. 4y. 90 minus 4y. What about 90 minus x? So the complement of 90 minus x is 90 degree minus 90 minus x. Now when you open the bracket, it will be minus 90 plus x, because signs change when once minus is there in outside. Minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. 90 cancels, so your answer is only x degree. Let us go to the last sum, 3m minus 10. So here also we will just do 90 minus 3m minus 10. 7 sum, 3m minus 10. So it will be 90 minus 3m minus 10. So when we open the bracket, it will be 90 minus. So the signs inside the bracket will change. So it will be 3m plus 10. Now these two are these are like terms, children. We can add them. So 90 plus 10 is 100 minus 3m degree. Hope you understood, children, how to find the complement of a given question. 90 degree minus the question. Now let us go to the supplementer. So supplement, the sum of the measures of the angle is 180. So what is the supplement of 14 degree? This also you can say, usually supplementary will be a straight line because it is 180 degree. So what is the supplement of 14 degree? So they have asked us this. So x plus 14 will give you 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 14, and whatever is the answer, 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 1 is 6, so 166 degree. So instead of going through all these steps and understanding, we have found out that whenever they have asked write supplement of the following, we will subtract it with 180 as we did for complement with 90. So let us go to the next sum. 127. So what is the supplement of 127? Because it is supplement, we will subtract it with 180. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 7 minus 2 is 5, 150 degree. Next, a plus b. Now this is a binomial, children. So we have to subtract the whole thing with 180. So 180 minus the whole a plus b. So when I open the bracket, the signs inside will change and we will be left with 180 minus a minus b, because minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus. Next, it is 3p. So 3p is a monomial. So 180 minus 3p, because this is only having one term. Next is 90 minus 2a degree. So what will be its supplement? Yes, 180 minus 90 minus 2a. When I open the bracket, minus 90 will become plus 90 will become minus 19, because minus into plus is minus and minus into minus will become plus. 180 minus 90 is 90 plus 2a degree. Last is 5x plus 20. Now same way you have to do that sum also. 180 minus 5x plus 20. So when you open the bracket, 180 minus 5x minus 20. What is 180 minus 20, children? 160. So 160 minus 5x degree. So hope you understood, children. In our next class, we will be doing word problems on supplementary and complementary angles. Till that time, you can revise and be strong in your concept. Bye.